Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Quad Boss Lee, and today we are fixing a common issue on the Silverado today. The common issue seems to be on the extended cab doors. There are two clips that hold in the rods in order to open them. There's one for the top and one for the bottom. We're replacing the bottom one today because that broke somehow in the middle of a drive. But the part number is 75452, and it's a little clip right there. I'll show you what it's going to mean in a second. And that's what holds in the rod to where when you pull on the handle, that's what pulls up the rod in order to release the bottom one. So currently right now when you try to open it, it's only releasing the top and not the bottom. Let me take you guys outside with me. Bear with me, it is quite windy out, so hopefully you guys don't get too much of a breeze. If you do, sorry. But anyways, let's take a look at it. Okay, so here is the handle. I took the handle off. It's just a top screw right here and a bottom screw right down there. Pretty simple. I believe it's a T27 Torx bit. So here is the bottom rod right there, and then you could tell it should not be able to move like that. It should be staying right there and it shouldn't move. So right now it is broke free. So the only way I can get this door to open is to take a pair of needle nose, put it up on the wire and pull up, and then push in the top knob up there, and then the door will open. Okay, and to get access to this, you're gonna need to take the whole plastic door panel off. It's pretty easy. There should be a screw here and here. Unscrew those, and then there's just pins that hold them in. You just pop them out. And then what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take these guys off as well, so that way this whole handle assembly can pull out. Socket size to take these off is a 10 mil. So you're just gonna put it on there, loosen it up. We'll be able to move this handle out. Okay, so I got the screws on both there, and then I got this handle assembly out. And what you will see here is there's the top rod there. There's the clip for it there. Now the bottom one goes in here. There was a green clip on there that is broke, so that's why this rod is able to move freely. So we got this Dorman replacement part, which is the factory manufacturer, which is always good to go with those. So let me take this out and I will show you what we're going to do with it. Okay, so I got it in there. All I did was put it in the hole, slide all the way back, and then it'll just slide up into there. And then all you're going to do is just take this end here, put it in that hole, shove it in there nice and tight, and then we should be able to good to go. Okay, so I got the clip in there nice and tight. We're going to tighten these screws down. We're going to shut the door and make sure that it works. Okay, so the door is shut. Now let's see if it opens. Look at that. Opens right up. Perfect. Okay, so all we got to do is put that black decorative handle piece on and then put the inside trim back on, and this job is done. All right guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned if you had the same problem as I did. Pretty simple fix. I found that part at AutoZone, so it was a pretty common part, so that was kind of nice. I can get it and put it in quickly. I did this all in one day, so it was pretty easy. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Quad Boss Lee. We'll catch you on the next one.
Always try to give, don't ever take